Hi, I'm Sohyun Jung from the Republic of Korea. I will present our study, Association of Allergy and Emotion, an exploratory study using electroencephalography. Allergic reactions are prevalent disorders that affect approximately 85% of the world population. They significantly affect one's quality of life and cause significant emotional distress. Stemming from this, we wanted to conduct a study to investigate how allergic reactions affect one's emotional state, and this was done by using electroencephalography to measure changes in brain waves. It was hypothesized that brain waves related to fear would increase when one is exposed to an allergic reaction inducing allergen. Before the experiment, testers were made to fill out a QOL survey to assess the impact of allergies on their lives. Two groups of people, one with and one without allergies, were shown pictures of allergy-inducing foods in the experiment. Blank slides were shown before each picture and were used as empty values. Allergic diseases are among the most prevalent immune disorders against foreign invaders, affecting 85% of the world population. Although most allergies contain mild symptoms such as runny nose, nasal congestion, and coughing, they can be as severe as abdominal cramping, asthma, and anaphylactic shock, which can even lead to death. High-frequency electroencephalography detects and records the tiny electrical charges from the brain's selectivity. There are between 16 and 25 electrodes attached to the scalp with a thin wire amplifying the signals and graphing the brainwaves on a computer screen. The researcher then interprets the reading following this step. All noise and light from the outside are blocked, and only the light inside the test room is kept on where the experiment is conducted. 12 participants in the experiment were randomly drawn from ages 16 to 80. Pre-test surveys were performed on subjects to confirm underlying allergies. In addition, a QOL survey was conducted to record their usual discomfort with their allergies. We conducted a pre-test survey to check the subject group's underlying allergies and past allergic reaction experiences and a QOL survey of the subject group. We then connected the micro USB cable to the USB terminal on the headband and held the headband with the earlobe electrode. After this step, we ran the brain health program. Once the recording began, we showed the subject a blank slide with no photos for 30 seconds. We then presented a picture of food for 30 seconds and again showed them a blank slide with no images for 20 seconds. This process was repeated 4 times. We monitored the change in brainwaves of the group with allergies and the group without allergies and showed 4 different pictures of allergy-inducing foods. The average brainwaves measured for 20 seconds on the blank screen were set as an empty value to analyze the difference. In the non-allergic group, a unique pattern of high beta waves was found. The intensity of high beta waves decreased 11.3% from 17.46 to 15.49 in the left hemisphere, and 12.4% from 17.42 to 15.25 in the right hemisphere when the testers were exposed to these pictures. And this may be a characteristic response to seeing food. There was a significant difference between the results of the non-allergic group and the allergic group. In the following experiment with the allergic group, it was found that the images of allergy-triggering foods cause a 45.8% increase in the intensity of high beta waves in the left hemisphere and a 38.9% increase in the right hemisphere. The noteworthy increase in high beta waves compared to the non-allergic group corroborates the hypothesis that brainwaves related to fear will increase when one is exposed to an allergic reaction-inducing allergen. In total, 36 trials were conducted for testers without allergies and 12 tests were conducted for testers with allergies. The multiple trials reduces the effective errors and increases reliability, which further strengthens the hypothesis. Further research should be conducted with more test trials for those with allergies. We believe that this study is meaningful and that it is an innovative and novel study on the relationship between allergies and emotion, which is an area that has not previously been explored.